So this US 30 analysis for Wednesday, 9th of May. Now, let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had prices came up towards this 24,420. Trade slightly above the level, didn't quite test the 510. Had a brief move downwards here to retest the 24,238. Held the support trade slightly below the level, all the way down towards that 24,190s in towards 24,190s. So the bullish buy side momentum coming to the market, brief consolidation for having the break to the upside of the 24,420, retested 24,420, and we do look poised for further upside momentum continuation here on the US 30. So if we see the further upside momentum continuation, the very next levels that we are looking at here to the upside, we do seem poised for a test of that 24,510. If we do break from there, we're looking for a move up towards the 24,550. After which we're looking for 700 and that 800 level. Now, if we do see sufficient volatility in the market, beyond the 800, we've got the 24,864. Beyond the 800, we've got the 24,864, very strong major level marked out here in red. And beyond the 24,864, we've got the 25,000 mark here on. Let's make sure. Yeah, we've got a 25,000 mark here on the US 30. So if we do see that sufficient volatility to the upside, we could see 25,000 coming into focus if we do have a particularly volatile day. If, however, we do fail to hold at 25,510 or 24,550, we're looking for moves back down towards the 24,420 and the 24,238. 24,420, 24,238. And if we do break down from the 24,238, we do have the 200 period moving average confluence acting pretty close by. But if we do break from there, we're looking for moves down towards our 24,071, which would expect to be far in the range here to the downside. If we do get a particular volatile day, 23,900 may just come into focus, but I do think it would be unlikely. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart to see our prices are developing. And over at the daily chart, we can see here we've got our lows, we've got a higher lows. I suppose we've got more recently, we've got a higher low here. We've had prices have had difficulty closing below the 200 period moving average here on the daily chart. We've traded below it, but we didn't close below it. So we had to see the bullish buy side momentum coming to the market. And again, we've had over the past couple of days or so, we've had a pretty strong price momentum to the upside here. We've got our lows. We've got a bullish move there, consolidation. We are having another bullish move play out here. So we do seem poised for a test of our most recent highs here in around that 24,864. And if we can break beyond the 24,864, there's a possibility of, there's a greater likelihood of us seeing a move up towards that 25,000 mark here on the US 30. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. I suppose here on the daily chart, we can see we're going into a bit of a price contraction squeeze here. So there still remains a possibility of seeing a bit of a breakout on the US 30. And yep, that wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.